Hello everyone, I'm Isan. In this video, we'll take a look at one of the latest features of the iPhone 15 Pro Max called the Action button, which as it turns out has been available on Samsung phones for a very long time. The Action button is a new term introduced by Apple during the launch of the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max to replace the legendary silent switch that has been present since the first generation of iPhone. The function of the Action button is similar to the back tap feature on the iPhone, which can execute specific actions or commands, such as turning on the flashlight, opening applications, and other shortcuts. Here, Apple's move to replace the silent switch, which is so attached to the iPhone, is a bit unfortunate, because in fact, the silent switch, apart from being a characteristic of the iPhone for a long time, it also has its sound advantages compared to using the Action button. It provides quicker access without needing to turn on the screen, and you can immediately see its status whether it's on or off by only looking at the button. Although the silent switch has many advantages, now users who want to upgrade to the iPhone 15 Pro series have to accept the fact that the silent switch has been replaced by the Action button. The Action button actually also has its own advantages, because this new button can perform more functions than the silent switch, which only functions for mute or silent. If you look closely, the Action button feature is actually not an innovation or something new in the world of smartphones. This similar feature has actually been around for a long time. Samsung has had features like this for a long time, even in the S10 Plus series launched in 2019. Samsung introduced a dedicated button similar to the Action button that could be used for various shortcuts. However, for some reason, the dedicated button was removed in later version, up until now in the latest S23 Ultra. However, actually you can also use a feature like this on various Samsung phones by using the shortcut on the power button. You can activate certain shortcuts when you double tap the power button or press and hold the power button. To activate the similar Action button feature when you double tap the power button, you can immediately open the settings on your Samsung phone. Then select Advanced Features and select Side Key. Within the side key settings, you will find options for configuring both the double press and hold shortcuts. By default, the double press action is typically set to quickly launch the camera. However, within these default settings, you also have the flexibility to customize the double tap functions of the power button to open various applications and perform other actions. And here another functions beside opening the application, you can also use it to activate the flashlight. Then on the press and hold option, you can set it with Bixby or power off menu. To activate the press and hold function on the power button for various other interesting features, you can use the Good Lock application, which you can download directly via the Galaxy Store. Then all you have to do is download the Register module inside the Good Lock application. If the type of your Samsung phone still doesn't support downloading the Good Lock application directly via the Galaxy Store, you can also use an alternative method as we have often shared in previous videos. You can check the complete way to install it in the link in the top right corner of this video. Then after successfully installing Good Lock and Register module, inside the Register setting, you just have to tap on Side Key Press and Hold action at the bottom. Then you can immediately activate the feature. With these new settings in the Register, you can use the press and hold shortcut on the power button to open many other interesting features. You can use this shortcut to quickly take a screenshot of your smartphone screen, or you can also use it to open Google Assistant. Apart from that, here you can also choose to activate flashlight with this shortcut. And what's interesting is that there is also a shortcut to mute the volume on your smartphone. This feature looks very similar to the Action button on the iPhone. And of course, apart from mute and silent, you can also use this shortcut to open other applications. Here you just have to select one of the applications that you want to open quickly with this shortcut, and the application will immediately open when you press and hold the power button. For example, here we select the Entertainment Wallpaper application that will be open when we press and hold the power button. And when you are bored with the appearance of the wallpaper on your smartphone, you can immediately press and hold the power button to open this Entertainment Wallpaper application. In this Entertainment Wallpaper application, there are lots of cool wallpapers with high resolution, and you can immediately use them to make the appearance of your smartphone cooler and more attractive. The wallpapers here are very complete, and there are many wallpapers options available, so you can choose according to your own preference. I hope you find this video useful. See you in the next video.